Hi my friends, it's me, Arya. Welcome to Kids Book Buddy. Today I came up with a new series of super fun named School of Fish. And I'm gonna read all of the School of Fish books named School of Fish. School of Fish, Friendship on the High Seas. School of Fish, Racing the Waves. School of Fish, Rocking the Tide. School of Fish, Testing the Waves. Those are all the books I'm gonna read in School of Fish. And see you next time. Today we're gonna read School of Fish, Testing the Waters. And let's start reading. School of Fish, Testing the Waters. I'm Silver, I'm cool, I'm off to school. My lunchbox is packed, my pencils are stacked. It's swim test today. My tummy is whirling, just like two currents, angry and swirling. None of my swim studies stick in my head. Going to school today fills me with dread. The shark bus comes right after dawn. I grab my pack, then I get on. Silence today feels like the rule. No one seems sleek and no one is cool. One tuna mentions the scary swim test. Some bubble and sigh. Some groans from the sigh. Rest groans from the rest. Close your eyes tightly, I tell them, and then take a deep breath and count to 10. The count calms us all. We arrive at our school. We're all really sleek, and we're all sort of cool. Then a new swim coach with a real mean look says, "You can call me Captain Shook." His pointed teeth and staring eyes do not make this a good surprise. Snook passes out the tests to all. I glance around the silent hall. I look about for my best friends. I try my hardest to pretend that I am cool. But I can see that she is just as scared as me. Again, growls Snook and leaves the room. We all prepare to meet our doom. I can't remember from fin to tail or who swims faster, shark or whale. My tears fall slowly, turn to salt. I'll fail the test. It's all Snook's fault. But I made myself count up to 10, look at the test, and start again. And then I know the answers. Fin from tail, and who swims faster? Not a whale. The door creaks open. In swims Snook. This time he gives a real nice look. Then Snook says, You all were scared, but I bet all of you prepared. So ace all round, you passed the test. I take a deep breath, and so do the rest. This lesson, Snook says, was to stay calm and swim forward, never back. Now it's time for games and snack. I shout out to Snook, "In our class, Captain, we give you a great big pass. You are silver through and through." He grins, "And I am real cool just like you." The end.